Hello guys, and today I'm gonna show you the best budget Fortnite gaming PC that you can build for around $250. So before we start the video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And with that being said, let's get started. This build includes all components that will be good for gaming that you can buy and build on a very low budget. All the parts included here are new and you can build the PC quite easily as well. This PC should let you play most games on at least 720p, and a lot of the games will run fine on 1080p as well, including Fortnite, which will run at very good frame rates and with good settings. The first component of the build is the motherboard, which is the Gigabyte GA H110M. This is a very inexpensive micro ATX motherboard that comes in at around $40 and supports more CPUs as well as has 2 RAM slots. Overall, the motherboard will be good as is and will also be good for some upgrades later in the future. For the CPU here, we have the Intel PENTIUM G4400. This is a dual-core CPU clocked in at around 3.3 GHz and is actually a surprisingly good processor that should be good for normal work as well as for gaming. It should let you play most games without bottlenecking the GPU and is a good all-around choice for under $50. For the power supply, we have the Apvia Venus 450W power supply. This power supply comes in at $20 and is an extremely cheap and good option that should give you plenty of power for a build like this and even for some upgrades. Also, as this is so cheap, it is perfect for a build like this where you can save the budget for a better graphics card. For the RAM on this PC, we have 4GB of PATRIOT signature RAM. This is a single stick of DDR4 RAM that should be quite fast, and 4GB should be decent enough for most games out right now, including Fortnite. And also, as this is just a single stick, you will be able to upgrade it easily as it will leave one RAM slot empty. The GPU, which is the most important component of the build that is used here, is the NVIDIA GeForce GT1030. The NVIDIA GeForce GT1030 is a great budget graphics card that comes with 2GB of GDDR5 memory that should let you play most games, including newer AAA titles as well. For the storage here, we have a 320GB Western Digital Blue hard drive. The only reason I went for this instead of something else is because this is extremely cheap, coming in at around $20, and at 320GB, it is enough for some time and will also be able to store a few games as well. Also, if your budget is a bit higher, you can go for something that is a bit faster or something with more storage as well. Storing all those components is the ROSEWILL micro ATX case that looks surprisingly good and is extremely cheap, coming in at around $15. This should fit all the components perfectly and also has surprisingly good airflow inside, which helps in cooling. So those were all the components of the PC, and now I'm going to show you the results of the PC in games. The games that will be shown in this video include Battlefield 1, Fortnite and Playerunknown's Battlegrounds. So without any further ado, here are the results. Overall, I think that this is a pretty solid system that will be good for gaming and will also be good for most other work as well. So that's it for the video guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.